Yeah, I say we got the whole 100% talent show, you know. All I judge them, all I contestant, you know the thing go. But I say every ghetto youth, work hard and pray for the thing them and believe. Never get bad mind, no time for us to see our next man achieve, you see it? Because you know, we ain't do forget that. And I say, oh, watch this now. Me and you to go through whole heap of fight, you hear that? Whole heap of hard work, whole heap of sleepless night, and some people you see me me and say, oh, me roll like my hype, is it? And them not even know say me, capable of boy come from outside bathroom and standpipe, is it? Yeah. Believe in a hard work. So I just say this, we say that. Smokey drop rhythm. Pull up rhythm and drop it again. Yeah, 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 yeah. I capable again. I mean I say how the one you follow won't realize you know I look no work. Is it? Tell them say don't get away. When them see you outside, don't feel hurt. Can remember one time when me have it, me all out for a man go through me hardship. Now man arise and me, them one target. Two man are artists, tell about crosses. Me paranoid, that's why me also like me wanted. With the 17 conceal under me armpit. Cause dirty see me things I want for grasp it. Now help me plant the seed on me for reap or if you want it. Just think like shh. I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. Me stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare for me some of them. I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. And me stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare, yeah. What make people so easy for envy? Why you believe me, man not too friendly? It did me believe me because when my day and my needs, none of them could hurt me. Now up on the media, I'm clean, I'm trendy. From center mass to center. It mess up when they make some people get close so later turn out for the enemy. But I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. Stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare for me some of them. I go start stay close to my drum again. We stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare. Time when me have it, me all out first. You know the thing going on outside.
Hey, big up myself, Kaepable, we take the bag going at the ghetto, you know. Big up every ghetto product one day, I know. I'm not take to something, you know what I mean? Alright, Nero Malisha. Nero. What go on? Kaepable, you know. Alright. I'm son.
What you mean, I'm son? What you mean?
That me ask you.
Son?
I'm son.
Alright, you are going now. King of Jailin, remember good enough. Zin? So, no the dog be saying but no. Remember the dog over there? What person name again? Alright, you see it? You remember us? Alright, I'm my song that I can't trip me. My song that, you see me? But Kaepable big man thing. We know the struggles, bro. And as a person, I not always listen to voice alone. Because some of the world's greatest singers, the new singers, them sound way better than them by far. And that's a message, bro. And with that said, I give you a 9. And why I give you a 9? You have a little lazy rock thing there, but I know what you say like yes, a playing land. You see me? But I just said, God, the one part that still is it.
Thank you for that, Nero Malisha. Yes, our general. Alright, how go on, Bruce? Alright, move on to just Bruce. Bruce.
King Kaepable. Yeah, man, you do your thing. Lyrics are up as usual. You understand me? I say, I see you put in one extra boost of energy this week. You understand me? I say, I like that little extra boost there. So it's a solid 9 from me.
Solid 9 from the man Bruce. Alright, you know that going on. Alright, general. Yeah. What you writing, Mr. Yago over there, sir?
Bad brother, bad artist, Kaepable. You over there, me I deal with. As we say, give thanks for being a part of the show. You know, your talent no stop right here. So you over there, me I deal with. You just show people say, you know, for we give out, show with talent in no matter what platform. We're willing to go out there and show with talent to the world. You over there, me I deal with, and that me respect and rate with the item. You over there, me I deal with. Song potent, the song message, well effective, properly done. You get me I deal with. not really are my problem. You see me personally just know say Kaepable better than that. You overs me I deal with. So big up Kaepable. You see me I did solid 9. You overs.
Alright, big up all the judges, Kaepable, big up yourself. My bad boy, you know. Continue on the journey.